Hey guys, it's Ashley and today I'm gonna be doing my apartment move-in vlog. You guys didn't know this at all, but I got an apartment. It's basically the same as me dorming, but just my own apartment. It like costs literally the same. So that's what we're doing today. I'm gonna show you guys around the apartment. I'm gonna show you guys me moving in. I have all my stuff in the back of the car. As you can see, those are all my clothes. The other half is in my mom's car. We have like hundreds of pounds of furniture and we're gonna be moving them all in right up there. Okay guys, we're in the apartment.
We're in the apartment.
Yep, here's the wide open space. There's like some of my stuff is barely out. We're not gonna have that much stuff in here.
Yeah.
Mom, do you wanna say hi or no? Hi. This is basically what the apartment looks like. There's everything. Wow, I have like a tiny bit of stuff moved in. This is my room. My clothes are in garbage bags with hangers like that. That's how I moved them in. And then we have like, look at, there's all my little goodies and whatnot. I'm doing a haul with Boohoo soon, so that's what's right there. And then I have my box mattress.
I got a box mattress here.
Okay, we're gonna try to open up this mattress right now, and then we're gonna let it
air
nice
out
and wide and air out.
Memory foam?
It's a memory foam mattress, yes. Whoa, look at it.
Oh my god.
Oh my god, Amber, do you remember when you were like little and like in gymnastics, they would make you like sit on stuff like this? Can you hand me the scissors?
Catch. Oh, that was actually funny.
Oh my god. Yes. Okay guys, so I set up the whole bed. This bed is huge. It's a king size bed. I'm leaving the bed on my floor just because I think that it'll look nicer that way, and I don't feel like spending money on a bed frame for like a box frame.
It's so hard to move.
Yeah, it'd be so hard to move in. I'm moving out soon anyways also.
Yeah, your lease is like 7 months.
My lease is like 7 months, and then after that me and Amber are going somewhere else. It already expanded a pretty good amount, but it's gonna expand more. I'm supposed to leave it for 24 hours, and then after 24 hours I'll check back in with you guys tomorrow and let you know how the bed feels.
Feels good right now.
It honestly feels pretty good right now.
So what we're planning to do is, this vlog is going to just be moving in vlog. We're not going to show what the apartment looks like holistically or like when it's completely done. And we're going to make another video that's like very nice looking apartment tour. It's going to be so weird when it starts feeling like homey. Right now it just feels like bleak.
So we're gonna go let it expand. We're gonna go buy some food, and then we'll check back in with you guys later. Amber, the lighting here is literally absolutely phenomenal.
I'm so excited. Like, there might not be that many videos in my room anymore. Like, all the hauls that you once knew, they're gonna look a lot better now.
I'm so excited to set up our futon. We have a futon and it's green.
I'm
the
so
futon is green.
excited.
Amber, can you like something crazy on the mattress right now?
My legs are gonna be apart.
Amber, Olympic gymnast, ready.
I haven't done cheer in like 10 months. I'm dying.
This is Andrew visiting right now.
We're in Ashley's hood. Step back.
Andrew, there's people below us. That's like the one thing you shouldn't do. Andrew, stop. Andrew,
You're giving the girls too much.
yeah, you're giving the girls too. Oh.
Hey, what's up, guys? Why you walk like an old person? You walk like grandpa. Now, this is a workforce. Girls. I'm on the toilet, boys.
I'm kidding.
Doing stuff. Yo, look how thick Ashley.
Here's a look out the ashes that like absolutely no ass. My ass is like inverted.
Whip. Hey, Ashley. Hey, Ashley. Hey, Ashley. Whip.
Toss me the camera. It's dangerous.
Oh. Andrew, take out your frustration somewhere else.
When you don't have cups to use your hand. What? Didn't you just use the Dixie cup?
No, what?
No, I just get more water on my toothbrush.
What?
I realized that, yeah.
What?
Yeah, Angie, you gotta go.
Get off. I will stop. Good morning, everyone. Good morning, everyone. Good morning, everyone. It's the third day of us moving in. I just woke up at 2 o'clock and we're putting together the bar stools, and by we, I mean me. I just put together this first one and I just realized right now that this is where your feet are supposed to be. It should be here. Now I have to unscrew it and redo that part. Other than that, you're doing pretty well. Oh, there's a dent in it. Bro. That's the seat we have to sit on. 1, 2, 3.
This is not even good.
Look at our legs, they're just like barely not hitting each other. color looks so cool. Okay guys, now we're gonna flip over the futon because we finally set it up. It was actually a lot easier to set up than pretty much anything else that we made.
Oh, ow, shit. Move back, Ashley. Move back against the wall.
This honestly feels so firm right now. Amber, guys, it looks like I have like a nice studio apartment when actually it's like kind of shitty.
Where it's flat back here, like you can put like high food back there.
Oh damn.
It's like a.
It feels like it's
It
inflating
feels
the
like
air.
a trampoline.
Amber, stand up so I can get like the shadow right here. Amber, that's honestly beautiful. I'm not joking right now. You look so skinty. The rug. One of the finishing touches. Swag. Swag. It's been 24 hours and now I'm taking a nice lay in our Lull mattress. A nice lay. A nice lay. Would you like to lay with me? No. I've let it air out. It has fully risen. I put some nice white bed sheets on it, and TBH, it is very comfortable. I don't like soft mattresses, and this is memory foam, so I was kind of worried about that, but like, it feels so nice. It's literally so comfortable, like, it's literally so comfortable. I'm wearing a flannel because it's literally the hugest snowstorm out right now.
I'm not wearing any clothes right now.